I spent a long time being angry at myself for being angry. But I have slowly started learning to dance with my riri. I want to be able to understand why she comes and what she's protecting me from. Very nice.
Cool. Happy with that too?
Yeah, perfect. Kia ora tātou, ko Mareikura tēnei mihi ana, he ria hau no nai Tūhoe, no Ngāpuhi hoki, and you're watching Rooftop Sessions. My full-time job is working at Whakaata Māori. Is that not good in your ears?
Yo.
It's enhancing to be able to work with Māori people in a Māori organisation and just to ki te whakanuia i taku au Māori, me taku reo Māori i roto i aku mahi, a he mea nui te rā kia hau, he taonga te rā kia hau.
Oh, yo!
Probably the most difficult thing is just to try and find time for everything that I want. There's not enough time in the day for, you know, to go to the gym, to do your full-time work and then just have a few hours to do writing sessions. I'm a very heated person. When I was younger, I used to just get hoha at a lot of things and just lose my shit. I guess moving into the adult world and taking that with me, I'm learning about myself and my own emotions and how it kind of ticks off. There's a lot of things that come up that kind of make me hoha, but I'm at a stage where I want to control it. I want to be able to use it as my superpower and harness it to be a positive thing. Was that the right timing for that one?
That's the timing,
okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Let's go and do another one. We'll keep that one and same again, eh?
Can I do the whole thing again, please?
Yeah, sure. I think...
putting the doors on this side, I've got a little chipped tooth.
Aye.
Edit a tooth in there, please.
Okay, here we go from the top. 4 bars. I'll give you a cue on 3.
Beauty, thank you. Tahi Ka Riri is about my riri, but I didn't really want to write it in a way where I'm yelling at people and it's angry.
Yeah.
I wanted to just explain why I have that type of emotion or why that occurs in situations in my life.
Love it. Let's keep that one. We'll carry on to the chorus, eh? We're getting a little bit more hangrier now, eh? So a little bit more grunt. Just let your emotions and your voice kind of come out of it.
Yes, mother. My mum's name is Ngatapa Black. She's actually an artist as well. And she keeps me calm in a lot of situations. Often when I am in a heated situation, I only have myself. I don't have my mum there to help me, kind of talk me through it. So I breathe. I wanted to show I can be angry, but I also know how to get out of it as well. Tahi Ka Riri. Yeah, I just want people to know that it's okay to feel your emotions. Now you're allowed to feel angry. You're allowed to breathe. Know that you're still learning as well. Breathe.